Leonardo Canvas tutorial in painting and outpainting in easy way. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about our tutorial on Leonardo Canvas, specifically focusing on in painting and outpainting. Leonardo Canvas is an advanced AI-powered tool that allows you to edit and enhance your image with incredible precision and creativity. With its in-painting and out-painting capabilities, you can effortlessly remove unwanted objects from your images or extend the existing content seamlessly. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using Leonardo Canvas to in-paint and out-paint your images. In-painting refers to the technique of removing unwanted elements from an image, such as blemishes, objects, or even people, while outpainting involves extending the content of an image beyond its original boundaries. In today's video, you'll learn how to leverage the power of Leonardo's AI algorithm to intelligently fill in the gaps or remove unwanted elements from your images, resulting in stunning and flawless compositions. So let's get started. Now, as you can see right now, I am using the canvas of Leonardo. Now, if you don't know how to access this section, you're simply going to open Leonardo, and then over here on the left side, these are the different features or sections of Leonardo that you can access. Over here below, we have user tools, you have your usual AI image generation, and then you have your AI canvas over here. Now, as you can see, it is currently in beta, so you might experience some sluggish results or unsatisfying results from AI canvas. So keep in mind that this is currently in beta. There will be lots of bugs or lots of disappointing results, but occasionally, or if you do it right, you will be able to produce amazing results with Leonardo Canva. Now, if you don't know how to access Leonardo.ai, you're going to have to go to Leonardo.ai, and then this is what you're usually going to see. You're simply going to click on Launch App over here on the top right. Now, this is our canvas. Let's give you a quick tour. Over here on the left side, these are the different main tools that we are going to be using. We have the pan, we have the select, draw mask, erase, upload image, and download artwork over here. Now for the pan, this is what you're going to use to be able to scroll through or move your canvas over here. As you can see, you will be able to move left and right and however you would like. But as you can see, you won't be able to move or touch your square over here. Now this image dimension is what the size of image will be generated when you ask Leonardo AI to produce you an image with a prompt. For example, over here, we have table with a cactus. It's not going to extend over this boundary over here unless you change it over here on the right side. As you can see, on the image dimension, you could change the aspect ratio over here depending on what size you would like your image to have, as you can see here. And whatever the boundary is, that is the limit of the image. Over here, we have the select. For the select, this is how you're going to move this box over here. This is our boundary or image boundary. You will be able to move it with the option select. Now you have your draw mask. This is how we will be using the inlining later. We also have your erase over here for outpainting later on, and then you could upload images over here from your computer or previous generations or from the community over here. For example, we could click on from community. It will show us a pop-up over here, and we will be able to see all the different outputs generated by the community. So for example, we're going to go with this one. Going to click that, and it will generate or it will upload a specific photo into our canvas. As you can see here, it just appeared. We're simply going to use our pan over here to move around our canvas just like this. And as you can see, it is a very big image, and as you can see here, this is a very small section or a very small box that we have over here. Now the first thing I'm going to teach you is the in painting. To be able to use or utilize the in-painting, you're going to have to use the draw mask over here. As you can see, we have different sizes over here, and you can see the circle getting bigger and getting smaller. For example, this size, we're going to go with a bigger one, this size, and we're going to try and remove this boat over here. So you're simply going to highlight or like cover this entire boat or the element that you're trying to change, and then change it to anything you want. For example, fog instead of having a water. So we're going to click on generate, and it will generate images based on the specific mask section itself. It's not going to generate on the box wherein that's what it would usually do. It's going to generate inside or whatever is our mask over here. And as you can see here, you're going to have to put over the box that we have over here on top of the mask area so that it will be able to show you the result. I wasn't able to do that earlier. That's why it wasn't showing anything. But as you can see, it removed that specific section and turned it into a fog. Now, the reason why this is having some extra section over here because our box was extending over the border over here. So for now, we're going to click on accept, and as you can see, it will remove the specific element that we have selected. Now doing this again, for example, we would like to change the hat. So we could change this into a different hat, but we could actually change our image ratio for now, just like this. And we could change our sizing so that we could easily isolate it. So we're simply going to fix this just like this. And then we're going to change this to a motorcycle helmet. And let's see how the inpainting would work with our output over here. Now keep in mind, it will not always produce perfect results because like I said earlier, it is currently in beta. You can also choose different versions over here like Stable Diffusion 1.5 and 2.1. Those are the only available models that you could use right now. Now I forgot, we are supposed to add a mask first. We're going to mask our hat over here. Don't forget to use the mask option because that is going to be the basis of Leonardo on what it should change. So we have this, so we're simply going to generate. So we're going to add more section just like that, then click on generate. Now earlier it wasn't working, it's not generating anything because there was no targeted area. So right now we have added a targeted area. So let's see if it will be able to generate what we want. And as you can see here, it generated us images or different options for a motorcycle helmet over here. As you can see, it's not perfect, it's not facing the correct direction and all of those different styles, but as you can see, you will be able to change elements and remove elements using Inpainting feature. So let's move on. Let's go and try and use the outpainting. So for the outpainting, what you're going to do first and what you're going to use is the erase feature. And then you're going to select a size, and then you're going to erase a section of your painting over here or your image. For example, over here on the right side, we're going to remove this entire area over here, just like this. We're going to remove this to give it some space, just like this. And then we're going to go and use our select over here, click this. Then we're going to change our size over here, change the aspect ratio, just like that. Then put it over here, change the size, just like this. And what you're going to do next is we're going to add a prompt. We'll go for us mountains and fog. Now the reason why this is partially outside and partially inside our image over here is so that it could use the content and be aware of what type of style and what type of image it should produce. It's like a content awareness so that you will be able to create or extend the photo accurately and without any fail. Now, keep in mind once again, disclaimer, this is in beta version. It's not always going to be perfect, and it's also depending on your prompt. And as you can see here, it is extending our photo depending on our prompt. As you can see, it was able to utilize the style and it was able to extend it, as you can see. Then we can simply click on accept, and we can do it again by lowering it in this section. Click on generate, and let's see if it will be able to fill in this section of our photo this time. And we're going to give it some time. It's going to take a while. You could also play around with the different things over here on the right side, different settings that you have. You have your image dimension, number of images, guidance scale, and all of those things. As you can see here, we have another output that we were able to create. And as you can see, we could choose from different options that we have over here. You simply click on accept. Now, one last time, let's see if we will be able to generate or like have the reflection be recreated. So reflection, just like that, click on generate. Let's see if it will be able to extend our reflection over here into a proper reflection. As you can see here, it's generating as a reflection. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect, and you are able to notice the difference between this style and this style over here. Although it was able to try and maybe have a little bit of a reflection effect, it did not get the style, or it wasn't able to connect with our original photo over here. Nonetheless, it's still very good. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use inpainting and outpainting in Leonardo canvas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.